Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Fusion door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools: a plastic pry tool, a pick, and sockets in 10mm, 7mm, and 5mm sizes. Begin by gently prying off the small trim cover located behind the interior door handle. Use your pry tool to avoid scratching the surface. Once that cover is off, you will see a 10mm bolt. Remove it carefully. Next, move to the power window switch panel. Use your flathead screwdriver or pry tool to gently lift this panel from its housing. Once it's loose, carefully disconnect all the electrical connectors attached to it by pressing their release tabs. With the switch panel removed, you'll uncover two 5mm bolts. Use your socket wrench to remove these two fasteners. Now, shift your attention to the bottom of the door panel. You'll find two 7mm bolts there. Remove them with your socket. After these bolts are out, use your plastic trim removal tool to carefully pry around the entire perimeter of the door panel. This action will release the numerous plastic clips holding it in place. Once all clips are free, lift the entire door panel straight up to clear the door lock and window channel. With the panel lifted, you'll need to disconnect any final electrical connectors and the door handle cable. The cable usually has a small tab to release it. To reinstall, simply reverse these steps. Reconnect all wires and the door handle cable, align the panel, push the clips back into place, and reinsert all bolts and trim pieces. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. It's a straightforward process once you know where everything is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.